In front of me is Nokia C21 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, you need to access Tab menu. Then look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. If you can't find it over here, tap on this pen icon at the bottom left corner. Look for it here and drag it to the top. Then let go, go back, and finally click on it. Now you need to select one of those options in the pop-up. I want to disable my location, so I have to click on Close. And when I go back, as you can see, location of this Nokia is now off. If you wish to turn it on, click on the same No Gray shortcut. You can also go into Settings, look for Location section over here, click on it and manage it by clicking on this switcher next to Use Location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!